So after uninstalling the apps, say for example is the WPS and the pre-installed Microsoft Office, you have to next what the next thing that you have to do is to extract the files from the zip file that you have downloaded, which is from the Office 2013. So what are we going to do is we click the file or the zip file and then right click, extract all, and then this will show up. Okay, and then you just have to choose where the files will be extracted where the files will be extracted. So you have to click browse. For me, I want them to be on my desktop, so I click desktop and then select folder and then press extract. So now it will be extracted on my desktop. So let's just wait. So it's about to finish. We need to extract the files from the zip file because opening the file itself or the zip file itself is what do you call this? The computer will not read the file properly if it is not unzipped. So you have to uh, unzip it. Okay, so this is the file and this one. So if you would still remember, we have 3 files on that. Let's open it. Okay, so we have the Office Pro Plus 2013 and the Microsoft Toolkit there and the activation key. Okay, so the next thing that you have to do after extracting them, you don't need this anymore. So you just have to delete that. Okay, delete that. And then next thing that you need to do is open the Office Pro Plus 2013 and then look for setup. So that is setup, not the DLL1. Click the setup and then press enter. And then your computer will ask you if you were or if you want to install it, and then the installation will go smoothly. Just press yes. Okay, so that's how you install Microsoft Office 2013.